Good day, my audience. Back again. Last week, I made prediction on the long-term and short-term and medium-term direction for the US dollar, okay, against other pairs like the euro, the GBP, the AUD, the CHF, the JPY, and the CAD. Okay, in the medium term, the US dollar is going to appreciate. And we say that in the short term, that's the beginning of that week, Monday, Tuesday, a little bit of Wednesday, that the US dollar was going to do what? Depreciate, which happened exactly the way we predicted it. Now we are back again to know what is going to happen to the US dollar in the short term, that's presently Monday, Tuesday, or thereabout, and then what is going to happen in the medium term. That is what is going to happen throughout this week and even into next week. So let's look at it again. Now we have the Euro USD 5-minute chart, which is on a strong sell. I said it's on a strong sell because it is making lower highs. Met the first high, the second one is a lower high, the third one is a low. It has continued to make lower highs, okay, consistently. And remember, if there was a high, it makes a high that is a little bit higher than any of these lower highs, we first of all consider if there is any data that is causing that disruption. Now, there are very good nice data that is supposed to come out this week, and so far we've not seen any distortion. So since we've not seen any distortion, that means that data must be in favor of this sell. And so for marketers not to have started dropping out of the market in 5-minute chart, that means that we should maintain our confidence on the sell. So there's going to be a sell in Euro USD 5-minute chart in the meantime. All right, let's look at the medium term Euro USD 4-hour chart. In Euro USD 4-hour chart, remember we made prediction last week that there's going to be a sell, and the sell started on Wednesday. Now, is this sell going to continue? Yes, the sell is going to continue because something prompted that sell. There were data that actually prompted that sell, and we said that that the US dollar was going to appreciate in the long run. That's in the medium term. So let's believe strongly that the Euro USD 4-hour chart will keep selling for this week. Now, let's look at the Euro USD daily chart. Actually, the structure is that of a strong buy. Okay, but some people say that as it is stalling, that it is going to buy from a dip. That it's good to buy this Euro USD from a dip in daily chart. Now, I am of the opinion that we need to check in this particular part of the uptrend, we need to check very well if there are conspicuous lows. For now, I don't think the Euro USD have broken any conspicuous low in the daily chart. Now, if it breaks a conspicuous low, first time and second time, breaks two conspicuous lows, please, it is very, 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 very wrong to buy from a dip at that point, because we need to watch the actual direction, because we've already made a prediction that in the medium term it is going to sell. So we don't know the extent of the sell. It could buy, but there is a point where the sell will go to. We don't expect a buy. If it is going to buy, it's going to just be some kind of oscillation. It may just oscillate within some bounds and may never really pass this point again. And the moment it keeps that oscillation at a point, it will do as if it wants to pass, and then it will break down totally. Now, finally, let's just take a summary. We said that the Euro USD will do what? Sell in 5-minute chart. In 4-hour chart, it's going to sell. Okay, in daily chart, we have a probability. We're saying let this begin to come down first. Let it come down. As it comes down, let's watch the lows that it's going to break. There are lows that when they are broken, something really has happened. So that's that. So with that in mind, we really have to keep our hands fixed and watch what is happening for the week. Whatever happens, in these three charts will definitely determine the direction of the US dollar. So what is happening in Euro USD, the same thing will happen in GBP USD, the same thing will happen in AUD USD, okay? The same thing will happen. GBP USD, Euro USD, and AUD USD, the same thing is going to, even in NZD USD, as the Euro USD is selling, so is the AUD USD, GBP USD, and NZD USD. Right now, what is happening in Euro USD, opposite will happen in what? USD CAD. USD CAD, USD CHF, the USD JPY is going to buy. So let's see. Keep our hands crossed. Those that are already holding positions of a sell in Euro USD, please don't leave that position, because possibly 70% assurance that this market will continue to go down. So thank you. Thank you so much as you buy into this.